Guys, so I am the owner of the liquid bald cap, and this liquid bald cap is truly amazing. I've had so much questions about how it works and what it does and things of that nature. Now ladies, if you wear wigs, listen up. This liquid ball cap creates a layer of scalp on your wigs, on your closures, on your frontals. So how it works is it fills the holes, the little grids on your wigs, and it creates a layer of scalp, so you will not see that netted look when you look at your lace system close up, which usually would give away that you are wearing a wig. No more. So as you can see, I've got it in my hair now in the shade Deep Skin. Now you could actually put the liquid bald cap on the whole of your frontal or closure, or just on the little parting space what you're going to be showing. So if you're having just a center parting, you could literally just put a bit of it on the center parting and let it dry, and then that's it.